Welcome to Declares Tricks and Attacking Defense and the ACBL Hollywood Magic Online Regional Mini Lesson. My name is Donna Compton, and I will be talking about passive and attacking defenses. So there are two types of defenses, passive defense and attacking defense. And we live in a world everyday bridge, right? Day after day bridge with our partner is a passive defense. Now, what do I mean by passive defense? Passive defenses are sound bites, like second hand low, third hand high, fourth hand win if you can, lead your partner's bid suit, return your partner's lead, right? Passive defense. And it's good to stay in a passive defense unless there's something in the hand that tells you should move from a passive defense to an attacking defense. Lots of indicators out there, like clues are all in the air. We have to just figure out which ones do we pull for which hand and to use when. There are clues in the bidding, always clues in the bidding, clues in the opening lead, clues in partner signals, how declare is playing a hand. And the clue we're going to use today to know whether to move from a passive defense to an attacking defense is counting declare's tricks. So let's get started. Here's an example here. We're sitting in E's chair, we're third hand, and the declarer has bid up to 3 no trump, right? Pass, pass, 1 club by north, pass, 2 no trump by south. That's showing basically 11-ish point hand, balanced hand, no 4-card major, pass, 3 no trump by north, all pass. And we get the queen of diamonds opening lead. Okay. So now the dummy comes up, right? And we're sitting in third chair. Go sit down in third chair for me, right? You're holding 4 spades, the king 10 fourth of hearts, the ace and a diamond, and 3 little clubs. And the dummy comes up with the ace queen 10 of spades, 3 little hearts, 2 little diamonds, and the ace king jack 5th of clubs. Now for me in third chair, first thing I would see is that club suit jumping out at me. That's called the source of tricks, right? That's one of our indicators of let's think about moving from passive to an aggressive defense. So we go through our declares checklist, right? Declares checklist. First thing we do is review the auction, right? So the auction was pass, pass, 1 club, pass, 2 no trump, pass, 3 no trump, all pass. Second thing we do on defense is interpret partner's opening lead. Now the queen of diamonds, right? Queen of diamonds is the opening lead. So versus no trump, that's denying the king of diamonds, right? So from E's perspective, who holds the king of diamonds? Exactly. Declarer holds the king of diamonds. That's the clue from the opening lead. And it's promising the jack. Okay, good to know. And then we do our number rule. Now the number rule versus a game contract is called the rule of 14. And what you do as third hand, and as the opening leader as well, but we're sitting in third chair here. So as third hand, you subtract your high card points, and East has 7 high card points, and you subtract them from 14, which tells you that partner has approximately 7 high card points. Now, 3 of those points we know is in the diamond suit, right? Because the queen of diamonds is promising the jack of diamonds. So partner has approximately 4 other points in their hand. Good to know. Now, passive defense, if just in a vacuum, passive defense would say win the ace of diamonds and return partner's lead suit. But that threatening source of tricks and dummy, the club suit, tells us let's just think about this one bit. Now we're going to win the ace of diamonds for sure because we need to unblock the suit, right? So first trick would go 3 of diamonds by declare, ace of diamonds by East, and declare would follow with the little diamond. Now we're on lead. And again, passive would be returning your partner's lead suit, returning the 4 of diamonds. But is there some other defense? Should we be making an attacking defense? And that club suit, I keep coming back to that club suit. So let's count declare's tricks. So in that spade suit, we don't know who has the king and jack of spades, right? Partner could have the king of spades, partner could have the jack of spades, declarer could have the king of spades, declarer could have the jack of spades. We don't know. But in any case, in any scenario, declarer can finesse West out of their king jack of spades if that's the case. Now, technique-wise, declare would lead a low spade to the 10 first. You always take to the lower finesse first, and then come back to South's hand and lead a low spade to the queen. That would be 3 spade winners, right? From East perspective, we're sitting in East chair. Now we look at the heart suit. We go, okay, well, from dummy's perspective, declare didn't have any heart winners there, right? The diamonds, we know from the opening lead that declare has 1 diamond, right? The king of diamonds is sitting here in declare's hand. And then in the club suit, again, we don't know where the queen of clubs is. If partner has the queen of clubs, though, it's what we call finessable. Declare can lead a low club up towards the ace, king, jack. If partner West plays low, declare can play the jack and then cash the ace and the king of clubs, and all the clubs come falling down. So whether declare has the queen of clubs or West, our partner, has the queen of clubs, declare has 5 club tricks, right? And if we do a total, that's 9 tricks. And here's our tip of the day. If as defender you count declare for their contract number, right? Declare is in 3 no trump. If we count declare for their 9 tricks and 3 out of the 4 suits, we must now shift from a passive defense to an aggressive defense and lead the 4th suit. Well, what's the 4th suit? The 4th suit is the heart suit. So in this case, we want to win the ace of diamonds, right? Queen of diamonds opening lead, overtake with the ace of diamonds, because if we let South have the king of diamonds at trick 1, do you see what's going to happen? South's going to take their spade finesse, come back to their hand, take their spade finesse, take their club finesse, right? And take their 9 tricks. So to counter that, East as third hand wins the ace of diamonds and switches to a heart. Now there's a little more to the story. When defender switches to a secondary suit, right? Diamonds was the primary suit, that was the lead suit. And defender switches to a secondary suit, which is the heart suit here, the 4th suit. If a low spot card is led, like the 3 of hearts is led, it's a signal to partner. And it's saying, partner, abandon our primary suit, the diamond suit. Let's take our tricks in the secondary suit, the heart suit. Now, if East maybe East didn't have a diamond to return or didn't want to return a diamond, wanted the diamonds to come through the dummy again for some reason, different holding, not this example, and East wanted to use the heart suit as a transportation suit through their partner's hand and not continue in the secondary suit, right? A high spot card would be led by East. In our example here, East wants West to continue hearts. So the 3 of hearts would be led at trick 2, right? At trick 2. So let's visualize the perfect layout, right? We have to be hopeful when we're playing this game. And let's say the partner has the ace, jack, little of hearts, right? Now we did our number rule of 14 and we said, okay, partner has approximately 4 other high card points in their hand. This would give them 5, but there's room for 1 point here or there when the opponents are playing in a no trump contract. And we win the ace of diamonds at trick 1. And we switch to the 3 of hearts. Well, the remaining hearts in declare's hand would be the queen and 2 others. If a 3 of hearts is led at trick 2, it goes through declare's queen of hearts to West's jack, right? West would play the jack because the dummy's in view. West would then cash the ace of hearts. Everyone would follow. And then lead a 3rd round of hearts over to East's king, falling declares queen, and the 10 of hearts is the setting trick. It's pretty cool when that works out. Does partner always have the perfect holding? No, but it's our best chance at setting the hand by switching from a passive defense to an aggressive defense and attempting to take the setting trick in the secondary suit versus the primary suit. All right, let me take you over to our Shark Bridge classroom here. So let's start off with the auction. Now blue's listening in, blue's sitting east, and south starts with 1 club. Now east and west are passing. North responds 1 diamond, and south rebids 1 no trump. Now as blue's listening in, and blue now knows that south has a balanced hand. That's what 1 no trump rebid indicates, balanced hand with 12 to 14 high card points. Okay, so we know 12 to 14 high card points down here and a balanced hand, at least 2 cards in every suit. The auction continues, and north jumps to 3 no trump, and it goes all pass. All right. So going through our defensive checklist, the first thing that blue does is review the auction, and then we get the Queen of Hearts opening lead and the dummy. Second on the defensive checklist is to interpret that opening lead. Now, an honor lead versus no trump promises at least 4 cards in that suit. So blue knows that Snooki is holding at least 4 hearts with that lead. Denying the King of Hearts and promising the Jack of Hearts. So right away, blue is thinking, okay, I know that the King of Hearts is sitting in Declare's hand, right? The hidden hand. And then the next thing that blue does after interpreting the opening lead is to take a look at the dummy. The dummy is your best friend on defense, okay? You just think your partner is your best friend on defense. Your dummy is your best friend on defense. And anytime you glance over to the dummy, looking at North's dummy, and you see a source of tricks, like that diamond suit, good indicator of a source of tricks. That's when you want to sit up in your chair as third hand and say, you know what, this may be a situation where we need to move from a passive defense to an aggressive defense. So one of the indicators is counting Declare's tricks, right? So let's count some tricks. Well, looking in the spade suit, doesn't look like Declare has any spade winners there. In the heart suit, we know that Declare has 1 heart winner, right? So let's put a little scorecard up here. We'll do spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs, right? So no spade winners in the dummy right now that we see. Now maybe Declare has some spade winners, but the dummy's not telling us any spade winners. 1 heart winner we know from interpreting the opening lead, because we know that South Declare has the King of Hearts. In diamonds, well, we don't know who has the King of Diamonds, but blue doesn't have the King of Diamonds. So whether or not Snooki West has the King of Diamonds or Declare Shepherd has the King of Diamonds, it doesn't matter. Declare could finesse West out of the King of Diamonds and take 6 diamond winners, right? And then in the clubs, same scenario. Blue doesn't have the King of Clubs, right? But it doesn't matter if West Snooki has the King of Clubs, Declare can finesse the King of Clubs out of Snooki's hand, right? Or perhaps Declare holds the King of Clubs. In any situation, we know a minimum of 2 club winners, right? If we tally that up, that comes to 9 tricks. Are bells going off in your head about now, right? Yes. Anytime as defender, you can count Declare for their contract number, which is 9 in 3 no trump. In 3 of the 4 suits, you've got to switch from a passive defense to an aggressive defense and do it right away. Now, passive defense here would be actually to play a signal encouraging, but play a low heart from blue's hand, from the east hand. In other words, allowing Declare to win their King of Hearts early in the hand to keep the communication between the defenders. But once you think about the hand and realize you've got to have an attacking defense, you can't afford to allow Declare to win the King of Hearts, right? Let's take a look if that happens, right? If we signal encouraging and Declare wins the King of Hearts, right? Declare's going to take their diamond finesse or take their club finesse, right? They're going to take their 9 tricks. So if we go back and we say, oh, no, not on my watch. You've got 9 tricks if I allow you to win that King of Hearts. So I'm going to win my Ace of Hearts. and I'm going to switch to the fourth suit. Well, what's the fourth suit? It's not clubs, it's not diamonds, it's not hearts. Ding, 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 ding. It's the spade suit. So at trick 2, go right to the fourth suit and switch to the queen of spades. Now, let me show you Declare's hand here, right? That's through the king of spades, right? Let me go ahead and show you all the cards now so we can see what's about to happen to Declare, right? Declare's king of spades is now trapped. It doesn't matter if Declare plays the king of spades, West can win the ace of spades, and the defense takes 3 more spade tricks. It doesn't matter if Declare plays low, right? West would signal encouraging, and East, since they got an encouraging signal, technically East should continue with the jack of spades, right? Now, normally you would continue with the 7 of spades, but with the encouraging signal, you continue with the jack so you can hold the lead through Declare's hand. And again, Declare could play the king of spades and the defense takes 3 more spade tricks. If Declare plays low, then the jack of spades wins. And then East continues another spade through the king. And then the 10 of spades is the setting trick. So it ends up, the defense takes 1 heart trick, right? The ace of hearts, and 4 spade tricks for the setting trick. But you really have to think about it at trick 1, because if you allow Declare to win their king of hearts at trick 1, Declare takes their 9 tricks and you go minus 400. So let me show you all the cards again so that you can see the full hand, and erase there. Pretty cool when it works out for partner to have the right holding. Does partner always have the right holding? No, but when they do, it's a great feeling. Okay, thank you for joining me for Declare's Tricks in Attacking Defense, ACBL Hollywood Magic Online Regional. If you have any questions, you know where to find me, Donna at playbetterbridge.com. And if you're looking for more great bridge tips, visit our Play Better Bridge YouTube channel and also our website at playbetterbridge.com. Thanks for joining me and good luck in your tournament play.